Good morning to everyone. My name is Nischala and I am from Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, and we are doing a project known as enhancing blog content creation with AI powered text generation. And now I'm doing this PPT for milestone 2, which is planned to execute this project. Now let's get into this. Main components and communications. As we know, every website has front end, back end, and middleware. Now let's discuss about front end. In our front end, we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript for blog management, communication with backend via API calls. Backend we are using Node.js, Express.js handles API requests for CRUD operations. Routes. Here we have many routes for our website. Fgets slash posts will fetch the posts will create a new post. Put post ID will update an existing post. Delete post ID will delete the post. Post slash generate will generate the post using AI. Post slash summarize will summarize the post using AI. Database. Here we are using MongoDB, which stores blog posts, user details, AI-generated content, and metadata. Integration. Hugging Face API integrated into backend and triggered. Underlying data structure. Uh, the data, the user schema for authentication is username string, password string, email string. And for blog post, the schema is title string, content string, summary string, date, author string, and tag string. Text used. The text used in our project for front end are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For back end are Node.js, Express.js. Database is MongoDB and AI is Llama MA2 Hugging Face API. Deployment Heroku or Vercel. Roles in application. Here we have three types of roles: admin, content creation, guest, or reader. In admin manages the user control, platform settings, approves or moderates the AI generated content. Content creator can use our platform for writing, editing, generating, and summarizing blog posts. Guests can read and view our blog posts. Interface to be developed. User dashboard. Create, edit, delete posts. Option to generate AI powered content and summarize posts. Admin panel manages users, moderates content and handles platform setting. Reader view. Public interface to view blog posts and filter based on tags, dates, or authors. Data, data sets and processing. Data sets for AI. The blog test input from user will be used as input for a model to generate new text or provide summaries. Input, the blog post prompts or partial content. Output, AI generated blog content. Summaries, the long form of blog post. Output, the summaries of that blog post so that we can engage it, we can engage easily with it. Input and output screen. Input screen. Post creation, title, content, text area, AI generation options, toggle for AI to assist and generate. Post edit, similar to creation but pre-populated. Output screens. Blog post view with generated summaries and full content. Reader interface for blogging, for blog browsing. This is our dashboard. Here, new post button. If we click on this, the another page will be open where you can create new post, my post. If if we click on this, we can see all the posts posted by this user and my draw. We can see all the blogs which are not posted but drafted by the user and reading list. Here we can see all blogs in this website. Search posts. Here we can search the posts by giving tags or dates. Um, and this is the page which is created when we click on new post button. And here we can enter the title of the blog, and this is in text area where you can write the content that is blog. Here we have on most of the options which are present in MS Word, like bold, Italian, underline, H1, H2, and we also have bullet points. And this is save button where you can save all the changes you have made. And this is use AI button. If you click on this, another page will be open where you can use AI to assist you to write text and summarize the text. Post. Here, if we click on this button, the post will be posted. And this is the page is created when you press on AI. And here you can create blog post by giving prompts to it. By pressing generate prompt, the blog will be generated. We can save that and even post it. And here the blog will be generated. Summarize text. Here we should give the long form of blog, and the AI will summarize and give it to us so that we can easily understand and engage with that. Workflow. Workflow of business logic. User enters the title and starts writing blog. And here we have an option to generate AI content where user provides prompt or partial content and backend calls the model for text generation. The generated content will be returned and integrated into the editor. User can save the blog post in MongoDB. User writes a long form of blog post. If he clicks on summarize button, the backend sends the post to model, and the model will summarize and return it to return it, and the return summary will be displayed in separate section or within post itself. Source of information. Content for AI processing. User inputs in blog posts. Hugging Face API for AI-driven text generation or summarization. The overall goal of our website is to seamlessly integrate AI into blogging workflow, making content creation faster and more intuitive while ensuring high quality output. Thank you so much.